2011 Dodge Ram 4.8 liter. We did something cool on it. Nothing different than you guys usually see. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then we did 3-inch system all the way back. All the way single. With a 40 series Flowmaster and a 3-inch tailpipe right there into a 5-inch tip right there. Get my really pretty, really clean. There it is. And we'll let you guys hear it in the magic of YouTube in a second. There it is. Hope you guys like it. The bigger the pipe, the deeper the sound, as you guys can hear. Really nice and deep. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Inside this Dodge 1500, let you guys hear it. Very nice.
Tell me like a Hellcat.